Eating garlic every day can have various effects on your body, both positive and potentially negative. Garlic is a popular herb with many potential health benefits due to its unique chemical composition. Here are some of the things that can happen in your body when you consume garlic regularly. Cardiovascular health. Garlic is known to have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. It may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve blood circulation. These effects can contribute to a decreased risk of heart disease. Antioxidant properties. Garlic contains antioxidants that can help combat oxidative stress in your body. This may reduce the risk of chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. Immune system support. Garlic is believed to have immune-boosting properties. Regular consumption may help your body fight off infections and illnesses. Anti-inflammatory effects. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in your body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, so this effect is beneficial. Antibacterial and antifungal. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It can help fight off infections and may be useful in maintaining good oral health. Digestive health. Garlic can stimulate digestion and promote the health of your gastrointestinal system. It may also help in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that garlic consumption might be associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, particularly in the digestive system, such as colorectal cancer. Detoxification. Garlic supports the body's detoxification processes, helping to eliminate harmful substances from the body. However, it's important to note that garlic can have some side effects, especially when consumed in excessive amounts. Bad breath and body odor. Garlic can cause strong and pungent odors, which may be bothersome to some people. Digestive issues. Some individuals may experience gastrointestinal discomfort, such as heartburn or upset stomach, when they consume large quantities of garlic. Allergic reactions. In rare cases, people can be allergic to garlic, leading to symptoms like skin rashes, itching, or difficulty breathing. Blood thinning. Garlic can have a mild blood thinning effect. While this can be beneficial for some, it can be a concern if you're already taking blood thinning medications. Improved bone health. Some studies suggest that garlic may have a positive impact on bone health. It can help increase bone density, which is beneficial for conditions like osteoporosis. Regulated blood sugar. Garlic has been shown to have a potential role in regulating blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Weight management. Garlic may assist in weight management by helping to control appetite and boost metabolism. This can contribute to weight loss or maintenance. Respiratory health. Garlic has been used traditionally to alleviate respiratory issues, such as colds and congestion. It may help relieve symptoms and boost the body's ability to fight respiratory infections. Improved brain function. Some research suggests that garlic may have neuroprotective effects, which can be beneficial for brain health and may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Fertility and reproductive health. Garlic is rich in nutrients like selenium and vitamin B6, which are important for reproductive health. Regular consumption may have positive effects on fertility and overall reproductive health. Hair and skin health. The antioxidants in garlic can contribute to healthy skin and hair by protecting against damage from free radicals. Some people also use garlic topically for its potential benefit.